Hi guys, postman's bin, one package. This should be 2 clocks. There we are. Clearly little button cell and 2 buttons to operate it. And a little stand. Oh, I'm a little bit surprised they actually came with the button cells in them. Not complaining. No instructions, but it's going to be one of these is going to set it, isn't it? 4 AM. Bill 51. 3rd of the 3rd. Okay, press the other button. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's actually about 10 past 6. Okay. Go to the 3rd. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's the 7th of the 8th. Seventh of the 8th. Yeah. What I was looking for was something that was like the ones that I've been using, that I got out of kits for a potato battery, banana battery, that sort of thing. Currently I've got one running on soil. They run on a 1.5 volt battery. Well, I say 1.5. They run on a copper and a magnesium electrode. LR1130. Let's pull it out. Just check it's not anything funny like. Let's measure it. 1.48. Yeah. So what I'm hoping is we can run one of these like one of them. I suspect they're virtually identical inside. And that one's running off soil, I say, copper and magnesium. That one's running on tea bags. And that's a bit small. I want something a bit bigger. Well, while we're at it, let's see if we can actually pop it open. Okay. So that's our black blob crystal. And then those contacts there make contacts along the edge there to drive that display. Right, it's reset itself to midday, so well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, yeah. 12 a.m. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12 p.m. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Yeah, excellent. And then it sits in there to stop you accidentally pressing any buttons. They actually sell it as a car clock for sticking in your car. Funny enough, I vaguely remember buying something very much like this. It would have been in the 70s or the 80s, so that I could have a clock in my car stuck on the dashboard. Life goes round in a big circle, doesn't it? One more little thing in the package, a double-sided sticky tape, so you can actually stick it on your dashboard.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.